Hi there, MD2MD members. I'm Lucy from Uptake AI. I'm really excited to share with you an upcoming workshop this January that's designed to empower you as leaders with everything you need to make AI work responsibly and effectively in your organizations. We will be delving into today's top challenges around AI, especially the generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. And we'll be answering questions like how do we ensure our teams feel supported and empowered? How can we develop a trusted and secure approach to AI that fits within our organizational values? In just 3 hours, we'll walk you through four essential areas that every leader needs to know. You'll get hands on experience joining interactive roundtable discussions that will focus on real world applications and strategies that you can take straight back to your teams. By the end of this session, you'll leave not just with new knowledge, but also a clear understanding of how to integrate AI responsibly and confidently. This really is one workshop that you won't want to miss. I really hope to see you there in January. Bye for now.